Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to explore the hidden camera feature in Microsoft Excel. The very first thing you want to do is to go to the file at the right hand corner of the screen, the left hand corner rather, file, go right there to file. You go to the last option which says options, go right there, click there. Then you go to, you can see this whole left side here. You have general formulas, data, proofing, save language, accessibility, advanced, and then the next one says customize ribbon. Click on the one that says customize ribbon. Click right there. And it gives you this whole page here. On this page, go to this tab here that says popular commands. Go right there, click the drop down and choose all commands. It gives you all the commands here, and then you can scroll down and you can to find the camera option. We'll scroll down when the A, let's go faster, and here says camera in the C's. It says camera. Click right there, double click it, okay, and then you can add it to this tab right here. So this simply customizes your ribbon on the Microsoft Excel page. So click on the add. It says here, okay, command needs to be added to custom groups. To create a group, pick a tab in the list. Okay, so we'll simply pick a tab in the list. Let's make a new tab. And let's name this tab as well. Let's name it camera. Okay, we can rename this. We can rename it. Call it camera. Click on OK. Let's choose a camera icon as well. Okay, let's try next time. Okay, it can be hard to search that, so let's choose OK, that camera right here. Okay, so now we have this chosen. Okay, let's now simply add this camera right here. We can add it, and there we go. We have camera here under the new tab that we created, and now we can click on OK, and the camera has been added to our ribbon. Right, so once you're on the Microsoft page here, Excel page right here, as you can see, this says here home, and then you find a new tab right here. Click on this new tab. You can see the camera has now populated here. Okay, so maybe it's hard to find it because it says new tab and not camera. So what we can do is to simply right click on this and go to customize ribbon again. Go right here, and here we will have new tab camera. And let's rename this to say camera. Okay. It says camera here, but let's also say camera here as well. That will help us to find it. Let's go here and say, go down to say rename. Rename this one to say camera. Okay, and let's say OK. And let's click on OK as well. So this has now been labeled as camera. So this is home, this is camera, this is insert. So you can easily find a function right here. So to use the camera, simply click on this right here, and then you can highlight the area you want to photograph. Let's say this area right here. Okay, this area right here. Let's say I want this area. Now it's been photographed, and go to a new page here and paste what I just photographed. So to use the camera function, what you can do is to simply highlight the area you want to photograph. Let's say you want to photograph from 7. Okay, just say you want to photograph this right here. Okay, from 7 to 13 right there. We'll highlight it or select the area, and then you go to camera and click on camera, and this takes a picture of this area. You simply go to a new sheet, let's say this sheet, and double click, and that will simply paste the picture in this new sheet here. Most times single clicking here works just fine. So go here and click once and you can have the photograph pasted here. So what's quite fascinating about this is once you have this photograph right here, you can update files here, or you can update figures here, and it appears in the box. It appears in the photo. So let's say we change this to 200, okay, or 2000. Let's go to our sheet here and see this is now 2000. Let's go back again and change this. You can see right here, this is 3 and this is 3 right here. Let's make this one 3000, and go back here, and this has also been updated. All right, guys, this is how you can use the hidden camera in Excel. Hope it was helpful, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.